Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to add email address contact info on your YouTube channel. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up your YouTube channel by using any browser. So we need to open this Chrome browser. And then once you open up your YouTube channel, and then here at top right corner, then you can see this YouTube profile and then click. And next step, and then you need to select this YouTube Studio settings. So here at your channel dashboard, in here at left side navigation pane, and then you need to find and locate this customization settings, and then you need to click. And then on the right side, you can see now this channel customizations. So all you have to do is you need to scroll down, find and locate this contact info. Alright, so you can see now this contact info under at links. Alright, so let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the about sections of your channel and be visible to viewers. So you can see now this email address in here box. So we need to add only email address that is active to receive emails. Alright, so click this box and now you can add your email address. And then once you enter your email address, and then you need to save this by clicking on top right corner this publish. Alright, so click this publish and changes publish. Then that's it guys. Alright, so it's very simple on how to add this email address here at contact info at your YouTube channel. Alright, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on YouTube settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for YouTube tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.